Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. At the back side of each earbud, at the top, right here, we have touch controls. So make sure that you tap at these controls. Now, if you know that you tap on them correctly, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from the phone. You can check it if you go to the settings and Bluetooth, as you can see, no connection here. After that, open the charging case and check is your problem fixed. If it doesn't, also I recommend it to go to the eSmart Connect application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app and with your phone. Then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds and go to the custom controls. So make sure that you have some feature in these controls. If you haven't, you can or tap this place and select some feature, or click reset, confirm, and you will return these settings to the default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!